Hello everyone, this is future Niel talking to you, and I'm gonna be showing you with this video how I cut my hair this short. Back then, my hair is really long, quite long. Not really that long, but still long, you know, quite long. Not really that long, but still long, you know. I will show you how that long hair transform this hair. I cutted my own hair in our home with just the art scissors that you buy when you go to National Bookstore. I'm gonna be showing you, and I swear it's really easy. So if you're interested with this video, then I will present you past Neil cutting their hair. Okay, you thought that you'll be immediately directed to past Neil, right?
But no,
I'm just gonna tell you why did I cut my hair first, so you won't just be finding it so random. Well, I have problems with my hair because it is falling off. And with having a bit of a long hair, the struggle for me when I comb my hair and I see strands of hair falling on the comb. It's in the comb, like strands of hair. It's just like 2 strands or something. It's strands. There are a lot of strands of hair on the comb. First, we need to section our hair. We need to start from the very bottom. And you put this on a bun. And you have your hair right there. Now, I want my hair to be this length. Now I'm cutting this hair in that length. Now I'm going to divide them into 2. Your goal is to make them symmetrical. Now, you may want to continue the putting the hair down and cutting it off repeatedly until you finish the whole part of your hair, and you make sure that you get to do your desired length. Cut it in your desired length. You might want to comb it down to see if there are like pieces, strands of hair that is quite longer, and you snip it off. Now you just want to comb it so you can see there are still some strands that is quite long, and you have to snip them. I did get help from my friend to cut the back of my hair because it's quite hard if you are alone, and when you're cutting the back part of your hair you don't really know if it's symmetrical. That's why I got help from my barmaid, and she made sure that the back part of my hair is at the same length at the front of my hair. Basically, this is the finished look of how I turned my long hair, my quite long hair. It's still quite short because I decided to cut it. So this is how it looks.